Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide with 27,937 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with 16-inch handlebars and braided lines and cables. Street Glide's flashy hot rod style and long-distance comfort are refined and tastefully upgraded on the CVO variant. CVO models have artistic qualities and are built to turn heads, showcasing the best the brand can offer. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the CVO Street Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 810 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.